G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm going to be cutting down this golden cane palm here. It's not really a hard job to do, but there is a way to do it that makes it easier. So what I want to do is I'll cut this on an angle. This whole branch will drop down and then fold like that. That's just what they do for some reason. So it makes it pretty easy, but you just need to make sure there's nothing in the way of where the branch is going to fall. It's going to break. And also I'm going to be cutting it about head height, and that'll let this drop, and then I'll cut this one in a separate cut. So it just makes it easier. I just find it a lot easier to do it this way. All right. Now you did notice that it did drop and everything, but this blade is a bit, it's not as sharp as it could be, that's for sure, which makes the job a little bit harder. But now I can just cut it at the base here, and that's it done. Beautiful. So you can either leave this stump here and you could tie some maybe orchids or some staghorns or stick something else in there like a crow's nest. That'd look nice. Or you can cut it off like this, nice and flat to the ground. there's no way you're going to get a mattock in there to dig that out. So you might as well do something, put some pots on it or something. But we've got another idea. Let's finish this garden off and I'll show you what we did at the end. Well, here's the end result. The stump's still there because it's too hard to dig out, but we just put some bromeliads over the top and a couple of pots and a nice little statue. And it's letting a lot more light in now and it just looks way better. What do you think? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Greg the Gardener.